Okay, so we need to continue with the CNN, and it is layer. Okay, first of all, we have 9 main layers in its structure. Okay, in the next week, we'll create an example session about it, and I will show you each of these layers. Okay, in a debug mode. First of all, we have the input layer in here. What is the input layer? Raw input data. What is raw? Yeah.
Not labeled.
Yeah. This is the unprocessed data. This is the measured data. Okay? Typically, image. If you take a picture, it's a raw.
Question: why are CNNs exclusively or most of the time used for image processing or image recognition?
The CNN is mostly useful method.
It's the most useful method.
Mostly, since it's the best method to analyze this image, because the image is either in the format of the 3D or 2D. Mostly 2D. And so, in order to analyze the 2D data, CNN is perfect. Okay? And so, after that, we have convolutional layer. Nazlı, what is convolution? You can say in Turkish. Please be loud. Şöyle bağıra bağıra konuş. Herkes duysun. Burada kim var filan desin. Yes, but what is the advantage of the convolution? What is it? What's the technical detail in advantage? Yeah.
Gives you the ability to transform data from vertical,
Hmm?
from horizontal only to both horizontal and vertical.
Yeah.
Allowing
Do you get it? Just tell me. Yes. We enrich the data, but in terms of the transformation, okay? It's a meaningful data. And so, in the convolutional layer, it's just like the neural network structure. And so we have a learnable coefficients. But this coefficients is the basis of the kernel function. What is the kernel function? So what's your name? Nurettin. So just tell me, what is the kernel function? Have you heard of this?
yes,
Yeah.
that's the basis of
Basis of?
computing.
Huh?
Computing.
No, yeah, that's true. But it's the hardware definition. What is the kernel function in? No. What is it? Yes. And so it's general template to what? Process the data. If you want to convolve any signal with another one, and so we must choose the kernel one. The kernel, for example, I can be a kernel. To what? To define the person, the human. Okay? Or to define a man. I could be a kernel. Okay? Nazlı? Can you do this? Can you be a kernel? For what? Just tell me. If you were a kernel, how can we analyze or how can we use your data in order to find out which properties, which feature? Yani sen kernel olsaydın biz seni kullanarak neleri tespit edebilirdik?
Ona öğretilen her şeyi ondan alırım.
Tamam ama seni kullanmamız lazım. Yani senin ne özelliğin var ki biz seni kullanalım? Zehra?
Çok sensörümüz var. Bunlardan aldığı verilerini de zaten öğrenmek istediği için ondan alırım.
You don't understand the question. If I process your data into the dimension, how can we utilize your data in order to find out which pattern? For example, I'm a man, right? And so, if I'm processed, so I can use my own data to evaluate or to detect another man, right? Yani ben kendim evet, referans oluyor. Mesela atıyorum ben Nazlı'yı mesela atıyorum aldım Nazlı'nın verilerine gittim. Şimdi senin verilerini nerede kullanabilirim? Neyi tespit etmek için? Ne tespit
Bana
edebilirim?
benzeyen başka şeyleri bana bakarak
Hı? Aynen öyle. Mesela sallıyorum. Senin saçların uzun. Uzun saçlı kızları bulabilirim mesela. Mesela saçların sarı. Sarı renge dair bir şeyler bulabilirim. Mesela benim sakalım var. Değil mi? Sakal. Sakaldan bir şeyler çıkarabilirim. Mesela iki tane gözüm var. Değil mi? İki gözlü olan şeyleri mesela yapabilirim. Mesela bir insan mı değil mi bilemem ama uzaylıyı tespit edebilirim mesela belki. Bu insana da benzemiyor ama iki tane gözü var. Bu demek ki insana benzeyen bir şey. Ne? Uzaylı. Anladın mı Yahya? Yeah. So, this is kernel. We need to define it. And then we have the activation layer. Yahya, just remind me the activation. What is activation function?
Well, we can either define it as like a linear function,
Yeah.
and if it exceeds a certain value, it turns into 1 or is 0.
Mm-hmm. And so it creates the what? The Hartman linearity, right? We can generate the new axis besides from the input data, right? So, creating nonlinearity and nonlinear pattern and also still it's a feature map but in different way, okay? And so in the 4 we can use the pooling layer. Anyone knows the pooling? Berkay? Pooling? It's mainly used the downsampling, guys. What is downsampling? Yeah.
Reducing the number of data in each.
Why do we need to use the pooling layer in the Sienna? Just think about it. Give me a thought.
Easier patterns.
Yes. I think we have too much data, a lot of data. For example, 1000 times 1000 picture. This is too much, right? And so we need to downsample to what? To catch the main features of it, or to reduce the noise value on this data. Maybe you can identify a person with much software 30 times 30. But if you are using the 1000 times 1000 matrix, make it slower than the other process. Okay? And this is reducing overfitting because the only main components can be given in the what or the output of the pooling layers is too smooth data. Okay? So, yoklama kağıdı nerede? Yoklama kağıdı nerede? Ha iyi. Herkes attı mı imza? Atın. Herkes atsın. Okay. Fully connected layer. Nazlı. Ha. Şöyle. In the next week, we will create an example session, but just think about it. We have the data, just like this one. Okay? 1, 2, 10, 1, 2, 3, -1, -1, 4, 5, 102. What is the absurd number in here? 100, right? And so we need to filter it. But how? Yeah, so we can use the convolution layer in here, just like this one. We can define the 2 times 2 kernel in here, just like this one. And so, what's the identification rule of this one? Just only use the minimum number in here. Minimum number is the activation function in here. And so, in this kernel function, if we choose only the minimum number in here, and so we can remove the 100 in here. It's too important. It's abnormal data, anomaly data, right? This is how we can utilize the pooling layer in here, okay? But what is fully connected layer? Sounds good. I'm waiting for your response. Fully connected layer. Okay. Nurettin? Fully connected layer is the standard ANN. Nothing more. We have neurons, input neuron, output neuron, and hidden layer. Okay? So, in here, we can build the classification and the regression task. And also, we can build the output layer in here. In the output layer, we have the final prediction. And also, we can build the softmax layer in here. Okay? Just like this one. What's the meaning of the softmax?
Value we set to make sure there aren't any extreme functions.
No. Suppose that you have 4 classifications. A, B, C, D. Nothing more. Okay? And so, each of the input data are contained in one of them this class. This class, okay? So, if you are using the sigmoid function or any other function, we cannot choose easily this one. But instead of using this, we can use the softmax function. Why? In the softmax function, each of the class has own probability. And all of this probability, the summation of this probability is equal to the 1. For example, if A, B, C, D. And so, after the classification task, this is the 30%, this is the 20%, this is the 25%, and this is the 25%. Okay? Which one is chosen in here? A. But the A is not the exact class because it's a downgrade in here. So 30% is not enough. But in the softmax layer, if we want to choose the one of them, the highest probability is chosen. And so this is called softmax. LLM response is mainly generated from this conditional distance. Attention mechanisms. Have you heard of this? Attention is all you need. Nazlı? Attention is all you need. We have a great paper to build for the new era. It started from the what? From this paper. Google Brain. Attention is all you need. You need to read this. And also you need to read this. Okay? I last question. Later.
Yapay zekanın sorduğumuz sorulara kendine aşırı derecede inanarak kafadan sallaması da bir soru olabilir mi?
Yes.
Bir soruyorum, bu kadar güvenerek sallıyor.
Yes. Have you watched the press?
Ne yazın?
Have you watched the press?
Press.
Press.
Evet. Sadece bir bölüm.
You? The press. Dizinin şeyi neydi ya? İngilizcesi neydi ya?
Netflix'ten.
Dizinin İngilizcesi.
Ha,
Huh? A series, TV series, Friends. Have you watched it?
Never heard of it.
Oh, okay. And so, in the Friends, we have a code. İnanarak boş konuşma. That is the behind idea of the LLMs. Okay?